Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to the Mad Hatter Media channel. My name is Clay, and if this is the first time that we're meeting, hello. And in this video, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to install Android 12, and the beta version we are going to be on is going to be beta 3. Okay, so it's actually super easy. Go into your Google search, type in Android 12 beta, click on that link. It should take you straight to the developers page. You hit get started and then hit enroll in Android beta for Pixel. It's going to give you some general beta program info. And now here's the important part. I believe that you can only get the Android 12 beta enrolled in certain Google devices like Pixels, Oneplus, and a certain handful of other ones. But I know that for right now you still can't get them on more popular Android devices like Samsung's. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and enroll and hit opt in. Go ahead and agree to the terms. Hit confirm and enroll. Now, when your device is enrolled, it'll tell you right then and there that it's now part of the Android 12 beta program. And now from this point on, it's pretty much like a regular update. So, we'll go into the updates, but real quick, just to be clear, if you end up not liking the beta or you just want to take it off and get out of it, you would come back to this exact same Google page and hit opt out, as you can see right there. So that's all you have to do to take it off. When you opt out, it'll allow you to re-download the current non-beta software version. So, since we just opted in, we're going to go ahead and go to System, Advanced, System Update. As you can see, we're running Android version 11. Okay, now it's preparing the update. Okay, so now that it's done prepping, it's just telling us that we do have the update available to be able to install. I'm going to hit resume to go ahead and push it through, and at this point we'll just come back when it downloads and installs and we can take a look at the features and see what's new. Alright, let's see what we're working with. Okay, so I already noticed two things right off the bat. First thing, the clock has been moved up towards the corner and it looks a little bit larger. It looks like the font's probably a little bit different too. Overall, I think that looks really good. Another thing, the notifications do appear to have a more rounded style of bubble, but let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, this is new. Okay, definitely liking the new styling. Alright, let's see what else there is that's new that we can find. Okay, the notification center still seems a little bit weird to me. Maybe because I'm not used to it, but it certainly is way better than in beta 2 though. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. That's kind of a cool touch. It automatically just moves on its own. Whoa, okay. So this is definitely different. So I think I saw this somewhere before, but I kind of forgot about it. But all these icons are just blacked out now. So we're looking at just all black and white. No more colored icons on the side. So very interesting and actually looks really clean. Okay, this is actually super cool so far. So we got the new bounce animation whenever you hit the bottom, but also that search bar stays with you as you move up and down. Nice, so you don't have to go all the way back up actually just to be able to type something in. Okay, so the folder looks a little bit more refined, I want to say. I feel like I can see the apps that are inside of it a little bit more clearly. Also, I believe this is a little bit more rounded than it was before, so that looks pretty good overall. Okay, definitely a new design on the Google feed. Pretty aesthetically pleasing. It does seem way more polished than it was before. Yeah, okay, if I'm not mistaken, these suggestions in the news feed, if y'all can already see, the video is playing in its own little rectangular bubble, but same thing as what I've been pointing out is the corners are just a little bit more rounded now, and it does make it pop a little bit off. Definitely caught my eyeball compared to beta 2. Let's go ahead and check out the side buttons. So, okay, I remember that they changed the volume UI and then I think they changed it back or something like that. Doesn't seem too bad. Yeah, that's fine. I think the first change was pretty obtrusive and then they ended up backing up and rewinding on it a little bit. So that's not bad at all. So we got sound on, silent, and vibrate. Let's go ahead and hold the power button. Okay, so this looks really similar to beta 2. So of course we just have power off, restart, and emergency. And that seems to be that for the most part. Yeah, the whole new notification drop down does seem still pretty unorthodox to me, but I'm sure it's something that I will get used to. Let's see if we can tweak it and mess with it a little bit. Okay, that looks pretty nice. Got the new home menu. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's the new always on display clock. So it looks like I found kind of one of the main points or highlights of the new Android 12 software, and that's kind of the device taking from separate parts of the OS, wallpaper, the icons, and all the colors that you go in and out of while navigating the phone. It kind of pulls its own color palette, and if I'm not mistaken, that's what that looks like right there. So Let's see if I can mess with this. Oh, that's my wallpaper colors. Oh, okay, so it just straight up identifies and pulls colors from your wallpaper. Okay, yeah, I thought I heard something about that. It looks like according to what color I choose, it very lightly changes the hue, and it's almost like a cast over the white, but I guess it's a subtle styling feature. Okay, let's see if that affects it anywhere else. Whoa, okay. Okay, this is getting pretty cool now. Okay, I can see why it was that kind of pastelish blue or purple before. It was pulling it from my wallpaper. Okay, this is pretty dang cool. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. I still haven't mastered this. Okay, so if I pull up from the drop down, it looks like it pulls up my notifications, but it won't take me home. Okay, so if I swipe up again, it took me home. Okay, let's see if I can go straight home. Okay, it looks like I can. Very interesting. Looks like there's gonna be a little bit more to learn about this than I kind of originally thought. But hey, this is shaping up to be super cool so far. Well, that doesn't look good. That looks downright terrible, actually. No doubt in my mind that they'll fix that pretty soon. And something I have noticed in previous betas, like the beta 2, and I thought they would have fixed it by now, and I don't know if I can capture it, but you can still kind of see, can I catch it? You should be able to still see that it is kind of leaning out or leaking out on the side, and I don't think that's part of the design. Should be able to get it to do it on both sides. Yeah, a little bit, just barely. So not a big deal, but yeah, that's search bar. Yeah, I'm sure that's already on the to-do list for them. Let's go back into the colors. Oh, whoa. Okay, so even this is green now. Ha, wow. Okay, I am enjoying this. Dang, so even the settings and everything is this tan theme. So let's change that back to something else. Let's go blue, okay. Okay, so it is a little bit of a light blue. Okay, so yeah, this isn't so unnatural already. I'm already starting to get the hang of this, and it actually, to my eye, it's already starting to look kind of more natural to my eye, which I know you guys who are watching this are probably thinking like, dude, no way. But now that I'm using it already, it's actually pretty easy to use, or at least that's what it feels like. Whoa, hey, themed icons, huh? Okay, wow. Okay, pretty cool. It threw off my, we're not theming anymore, but it's still pretty dang cool. Wow. Oh, so it looks like they're just on the, just applied to the home screen, but that's fine, that's cool. Wow, okay, let's try another one. Let's keep going. Ha! Neat. Whoa. Whoa, okay. This is super cool. Wow. Okay, this is what I've always wanted a dark mode to be. You know, like, I get it. Like, if you want to turn the pixels off and have it completely dark, you know, you're like, yeah, that does save battery life. But, it's okay to have just a dark mode to where it's got a darker overall color scheme instead of just like the regular bright or white regular theme. Like, it doesn't have to be completely black, just stylized in a darker tone, and this looks amazing. I mean, I'm a real stickler when it comes to dark modes. I feel like most companies that came out with their own dark modes, none of them, in my opinion, have really hit the nail on the head, but dang, this might be the first one. This is actually exciting. Wow. Wow, super cool.